Hey there, future LLC owners. Today we are taking a gentle stroll through the world of funding, specifically targeting how to properly fund your LLC. It's a journey that many have embarked on, and with the right insights, it's not as daunting as it seems. Grab a cup of coffee and let's delve right in. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics designed to help save you time and money. So you're thinking about setting up an LLC. That's great news. But before you start imagining all the amazing things you'll do with your business, we need to have a real chat about the backbone of any LLC, the funding. Now don't fret, I'm here to guide you through every step of the way. First up, understanding the initial funding is vital. Many folks start by pouring in their personal savings, which is quite common. In fact, according to the Federal Reserve, in 2019, about 61% of business owners used their personal savings to kickstart their business venture. That's a huge chunk, isn't it? Now moving on, after personal savings comes loans. Bank loans, to be specific. It's a traditional route, but certainly a viable one. And guess what? Small business loans have a success rate of about 50%. Yeah, it's like flipping a coin. But with a well-prepared business plan, you could be on the favorable side of that coin flip. Now here's a nugget of information for you. About 3% of small business owners even resort to using credit cards for funding. It might sound a bit surprising, but it's one of the ways to keep the wheels turning, especially during the initial stages. All right, let's talk about angel investors and venture capitalists. These are the individuals and firms that are in the business of injecting funds into promising companies. They are a great option if you have a solid business plan and are looking to scale up quickly. But bear in mind, they do usually look for a piece of the equity pie in return. Lastly, crowdfunding. It's a more modern approach where you present your business idea on a platform and people who find it interesting can chip in with some funds. It's kind of like gathering a community of believers who back your vision before you even start. Cool, right? So there we have it, friends. The roadmap to properly funding your LLC. It's about weighing your options and choosing a path that resonates with your business model and vision. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach here. It's your journey, make it count. And hey, before we wrap up, here's a comforting thought. A good majority of small businesses, roughly 80%, survive their first year. So you're more likely to succeed than not. Keep your spirit high and your strategy sound. For help setting up every aspect of your LLC, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you're welcome to call our business formation team for help at 877-955-7111. Also, what's your opinion on the funding options in this video? Is there a certain one that stands out to you? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to help your business grow and make consistent profits.